Assalamu alaikum, I am Dr. Mehdi Hashim from Soft channel. Welcome back to our tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to get data from layout to the main layout using Dialog and Alert Dialog. And we will explore the differences between them. Okay, let's start. I just created a new project and modified the main XML file. I included here text view and two buttons. The first button shows a new layout that I named test layout using dialog, and get alert button shows the same layout but using alert dialog. And here in the main activity, I just assigned the components of the main XML file and casted them in the onCreate method. Now I put onCreate method on click listener for the buttons, btn dialog dot set on click listener new on click listener. Okay, I'll do the same for the second button, btn alert dot set on click listener new on click listener. Okay, here in the dialog, btn dialog, I want to inflate this layout, so I have to write layout inflator equals between brackets layout inflator, and will set the context main activity dot this, and we'll call the service dot get system service, which is layout inflator service. Okay, now what we need to do to inflate the layout is to create view equals inflator dot inflate r dot layout dot test layout, and the second parameter is null. Okay, now we are going to designing the dialog itself. So we'll say dialog equals new dialog, and the context only main activity dot this, and we have many options for this dialog. For example, if you write dialog dot, you will see a lot of options here, but the most important for our tutorial is to set content view, and we'll set here the view that inflates the test layout. So here we write view. What we need also, for example, is to show. Okay, and we need cancelable to put it true, dialog dot set cancelable, and we set it true. This means that when we click outside the dialog will be dismissed. Okay, and now at this point, when we press the get dialog button, the dialog will inflate the test layout. But we need also to cast the components of the test layout here in this dialog. So we write final edit text et, for example, equals dialog dot find view by id r dot id dot et. Okay, and we'll do the same with the button here, button, and here btn, and here btn. Now we'll set on a click listener for this button, so we'll say btn dot set on a click listener new on a click listener. Okay, here we are going to catch the text we write here in the edit text and show it in the TView our text view in the main activity. So we'll say here string text, for example, equals at.getText.toString, that is, and we'll set the tv dot set text, and simply we add text. Okay, now if we write anything here and press this button, it will be appear here in the text view. We'll examine it now. Okay, here get layout, when you press, the dialog appeared, and we'll say, for example, Mahdi, and press this button, so the text appeared here in the main activity. Okay, now we are going to check the alert dialog. So we'll copy these lines and press them here, and we'll say a new alert dialog, this time alert dialog.builder equals new alert dialog, and we set the context main activity dot this. Okay, and here we will design the alert dialog. First thing we do is builder to set the view itself, builder.set view, and we set the view. We can close this line using semicolon, or just press and write dot, set title, for example anything, and set message anything also, and set icon, we can set icon also, set icon, we'll put anything here. I think I have here Android. Okay, so r dot drawable dot Android. Okay, and also we can set positive and negative buttons. I'll do them later to explain the difference between the dialog and alert dialog. We can close it, and we say builder to show the dialog dot create dot show. To do the same process we did here, we can easily copy these lines and put them here, but we change the dialog into view and view. Okay, we can test it now. If we press get alert, we'll get the same dialog of this text layout, but we have here icon, title, and message, and if we write here anything, for example, and we press this button, it gives the text and the main activity itself. Okay, to test another difference between dialog and alert dialog, we will delete this button, and instead we'll create here positive set positive button. So here we'll delete this, and we say dot set positive button, and here we say we write anything, for example show text, and here new dialog, when I click listen up. Okay, and I'll get the copied lines here, and we'll close this one, and we'll cut this and put them here, and for view we'll get it final. That is, now if we run the app, it will show a text, this text show text. If we press it, we'll do the same process. We'll see it now. Okay, if we get alert, We have this text, this button now, and if we write anything and we press this one, it shows the same text and dismiss the alert dialog. And we can also here delete the title and the message and the icon, so it will be the same like the dialog but bigger, in the bigger size. So if we check again and we say, you see like this, no title, no icon, no message, and bigger than the dialog itself. If you see, this one is small, dialog is small, and alert dialog is better. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe and press like and the bell to get the newest tutorials for you. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next tutorial.